One of the hardest things to keep track of in a growing business is who does what. Roles and responsibilities shift hands or teams all the time. And over time, as people come and go, the knowledge related to all those responsibilities might get lost. Not anymore. Trainual has an AI-powered documentation engine for roles and responsibilities, helping you leverage the learnings of thousands of companies just like yours all around the world. Before, it was up to you to brainstorm all the current or future roles in your business and come up with every single thing that they do in the business. Now, based on your company type or industry, Trainual will recommend roles relevant to your organization. Then, it will suggest related responsibilities for each role, because Trainual knows, through the magic of machine learning, which job titles have most frequently been assigned which kinds of training. This means it's about 40% faster to outline who does what on your team and get you to the ROI of creating and assigning training content for those roles and responsibilities that much quicker. And when you get there, knowledge is never lost. We're on a mission to make your playbook write itself, and suggested roles and responsibilities are a big step in that direction.